Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Sui coin, and specifically I'll be talking about the price action and where I think the price will be headed in the next couple of days and even weeks. So the reason why I decided to make this video is because I see something happening, something like very obvious that I see it happen time and time over again, and that's why I wanted to share my mind and try to explain the best that I can. So here we are on the daily time frame, and I don't know if you see that dot with my pointer here. So basically that candle here with the long wick, that printed uh 7 days ago. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days ago exactly, with a long wick. It looked like it was going to continue to the upside after printing it, and especially because of that level here, that support level. So it was like obvious buying opportunity for a lot of retail. um but I didn't see that, honestly. I spotted right away that it was just a trap, or you could have scalped that and made a small percentage, but not for long term, not for like the next leg up. As you can see, the price did bounce a little bit, but a couple days later, as I explained in the previous video, the price did um, basically they dipped it again, and they took all the stop losses, and now it looks like we have another wick that could lead to a continuation. But again, I'm still not convinced that this is the bottom here, because if you go on the lower time frame, okay, I don't see anything that indicate that we bottomed. Okay, if you basically draw a trend line just right here, okay, I'm not gonna draw it, but you can just visually see it, that each time we visit that level we get rejected. Okay, so where we at right now, especially that curving here, right here, that curving here, this is usually happen when there is like a distribution. Okay, so you have the buyers, retail buyers, but behind the scene there is big sellers. And another thing you can notice here is the engulfing candles on the 4 hour. So that has more weight, more significance. First time happened, and later it happened again with a wick on top. So for me, that just another indication. Okay, it's not a certainty, but um, it's another indication for me that we may go into we are selling here. Okay, so there's not enough buyers. The buyers are not in control here, especially at the end. So what I think, it's me, in my opinion, I think that we are going to revisit this low, the last week that was created, is going to be revisited, and they're going to take all the stop losses that are parked right here, and potentially recover the whole vector, the whole green vector right here. Um, but we're not going to jump to conclusion, and we're going to watch it closely and see how the price will react once we get there. Okay, because that could be the reversal from here as well, but I'm not convinced yet. So I could be wrong. That could, it could just stop from here and start creating the next leg up. But for now, I'm going to be um, opening some small position shorts. I already did with the stop loss just above these highs. Okay, you can even put it even closer because you have two confirmation here that the trend is over. That small trend is over. So you can put it right here, but I prefer to put it a little bit higher just in case they want to go one more for the stop losses just above. So I open a small position right here, and I never risk more than 1% of my account. So even if I'm wrong and that's not the top here, I'm okay. So, and my take profit is it's going to be the low of the last week, which is where all the stop loss is going to be parked. Okay, and from there we'll reassess and see if the price is going to reverse from here. And but until now, I'm just going to wait and see what's going to happen. And thank you guys. See you in the next video.